If readers aren't buying your books, the problem is usually not your book. It's one of three things. They don't know you exist, they don't feel connected to what you do, or they're not convinced that you'll deliver what you promise. And that's it. And this is one of the most simplest but most useful marketing frameworks that authors can understand. Know, like, and trust. Because almost every marketing problem sits somewhere inside one of these three buckets. So in this video, I want to show you how to diagnose where your problem is and then what to do about it. I'm Ross from the Alliance of Independent Authors, and this framework sits underneath almost everything we teach about author marketing. So if you're liking these videos and are helping you with your career, then please do like and subscribe because it keeps this channel free and available to all. Let's start with know. This is simply visibility. So can the right reader actually find you? Because no matter how brilliant your book is, if nobody sees it, then obviously nothing happens. So this is where discoverability lives. Your metadata, categories, keywords, websites, content, your email capture, your presence where readers actually spend time. But here's the trap. Many authors think they have a sales problem when actually they have a visibility problem. So ask yourself, are enough of the right readers actually discovering my work? If the answer is no, then start here. Then comes like, and this isn't about being personally charming, it's about relevance, connection. Does your work feel appealing to the right person? Does your messaging feel human, clear, interesting? Because readers don't connect with vague, they connect with resonance. And this is why your cover matters, your positioning, your tone, your author voice, and your content, the feeling that your books create. Because a reader might discover you, but if nothing clicks emotionally, then they move on. So ask, does what I'm putting out actually feel relevant to the people that I want to attract? If not, then this needs fixing. And then we have trust. So this is where conversion happens, because even if a reader knows you, and even if they like what they see, they still need confidence. So can this author actually deliver? That trust gets built through consistency, professional covers, strong reviews, quality writing, a polished author presence, reliable communication, and a clear reader experience. Because trust is often built through small signals. Sometimes readers can't explain why something feels off, but they can feel it. And trust disappears quickly when things look inconsistent or unfinished. So ask, am I giving readers confidence? If your books aren't selling, diagnose the problem. Low traffic? Probably a no issue. Plenty of traffic but low clicks? Probably a like issue. Or good clicks but poor conversion? Often a trust issue. Every marketing action you take should strengthen at least one of these: know, like, or trust. Because readers rarely buy from strangers. They buy from authors they can find, connect with, and believe in. And once you understand where the gap is, you know exactly what to fix. Happy indie publishing, and I'll catch you in the next one.